Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes that uses up eggplants from the garden, which is Korean steamed eggplant. This is a simple yet delicious dish made by steaming eggplant and tossing it in a flavorful Korean style soy dressing. It's soft, savory, and packed with flavor, the perfect side to serve with Korean barbecue or alongside a bowl of rice. Start by washing your eggplants and cutting off the ends. Then slice them lengthwise into quarters and cut them into 3-inch pieces, basically bite-sized strips. Next, place the eggplant into a steamer basket over boiling water. Cover and steam for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the eggplant becomes soft and translucent. You don't want to overcook it, just enough so that it's tender and easy to pull apart. Once it's done, remove the eggplant and let it cool slightly so it's warm but not hot to the touch. In the meantime, make the sauce. Mix together minced garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, sesame seeds, fine ground Korean red chili powder, and some diced green onions. Whisk it all together, then gently add the steamed eggplant pieces and toss. Be careful not to mash the eggplant, it's pretty delicate. You can serve this dish warm, at room temperature, or even chilled. It pairs beautifully with grilled meats, rice, and other Korean banchan dishes like marinated cucumber salad and steamed eggs. If you're following my Korean barbecue at home series, this dish is one of the banchan side dishes I'm sharing so you can recreate a full restaurant style experience at home. You can find the link to the full Korean barbecue setup video in the description along with my recipes for other side dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment below if you try it, and subscribe for more recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy!